That is right. Good observation. Whenever you're signaling for the purpose of the road test, you have to check the mirrors and shoulders on that side. You see how you signal going on to the left, you did the right thing. You should have checked mirror left, shoulder left. And when you're coming back as well, you signal to your right, you check your mirrors and shoulders, all right? Those are road test tips. Make your right turn here, at this corner here. Yep, here's a lesson we're doing with the student. He's a good driver. You just have to get a little bit disciplined, if you will. That's an all-way stop sign. Good. All right. Make your turn here. Okay, make your turn. Check. There you go. You did check the shoulder. That's what I was worried, but it did check it. For the purpose of the road test, guys, whenever you're signaling, make that your business to check your mirror and shoulder. Otherwise, you will not pass your road test, all right? Like, share, and subscribe. Check PeerPaulDriving.com. Until then, keep practicing this video.